have fell in love with these all new Uncrustables. Oh my goodness. If you have not had an Uncrustable, what are you doing? These are the all new Uncrustables. They're just like your peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, but they're Uncrustables. So these are to be kept in the freezer. So you're supposed to keep these in the freezer, and then when you get ready to eat one, you're gonna have to take one out and put it in the refrigerator, or you're gonna have to leave it sitting out for a minute so it can unthaw, because it's gonna be too frozen to eat right out of the freezer. So what I do is when I get ready to eat these, I usually take one of these out and I'll put one in the refrigerator, or I'll leave it sitting out on the counter and give it a few hours to unthaw, because like I said, it's gonna be frozen. And then when it unthaws, you can eat it like a regular sandwich. We also have these in just they also have these in the peanut butter and jelly sandwiches together. They have these with the peanut butter by itself. So if you just want a peanut butter sandwich Uncrustable, or if you just want a jelly sandwich Uncrustable, they have that as well. I'm probably not going to review it today, but I do have the peanut butter Uncrustable downstairs in the freezer. So we're not going to eat one on camera because like I said, these are frozen, so you got to give them time to unthaw. But I will open it and I will show you what they look like on the inside. And then the one that I opened, I might go ahead and sit in the refrigerator or put it back in the box. So here is once again a up close check of the Uncrustables. As you can see, it got that jelly in there and that peanut butter in there. And then if you turn it this way, it's the same thing on all sides, except the difference is if you turn it this way, and then when you turn it over, you got to turn it like this, because otherwise it's going to be upside down. So like that. So these are 210 calories, 11 gram total fat. These are a really good quick snack, by the way. I guess you could eat these for breakfast, but these are a really good quick snack. So like I said, you can't eat it right now because it's frozen, but we will open it up and I will show you what they do look like on the inside. So here are what they look like on the inside. I know it don't look like it's that many. It's only 4 in here. It comes with 4. I think there's some that comes more than 4, but so here's what they look like. They're just little bitty. They're just so cute to me. They're just little bitty Uncrustables, like a little bitty sandwich. I don't want to open the package because like I said, I can't even eat it right now because it's hard and frozen because it's been in the freezer. But if you take one out, if I go sit this one after the video, I can either put this back in the box or I can go sit it in the refrigerator for a while or overnight. And by that time, it'll be soft enough for you to eat. But these are this is the packaging. So you got your Uncrustable. It was in the front of the box. So the packaging looks exactly like it did on the box. And you got your soft breaded. So the bread is soft. I know it's hard to tell right now because it's frozen. When I'm touching it, the back up here, the back is frozen. But the bread is really soft. So once they unthaw, once you leave it in the refrigerator really good, or once you leave them in the refrigerator, or once you let them set out for a while, once you bite into these, they're going to be so good. This beats you making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. If you want to save you time from making you a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or just a peanut butter sandwich for those who don't like peanut butter and jelly on the same bread like I do. I don't like peanut butter. I usually don't eat peanut butter and jelly on the same bread when I'm making a normal sandwich, but for this time I will. I don't know why. I guess it's just the bread. Because I'm like, when I saw the peanut butter and jelly together on these, I usually don't eat that together on a normal peanut butter and jelly sandwich. But what makes it so good is the bread. That's why I'm like, I don't mind eating these peanut butter and jelly bites together, because it's the bread that just makes it have that extra taste. So let me know if you would like to try these in the comments down below. Here's the packaging. They do have these, I don't know if I said it, but they do have these in the peanut butter only. I'll try to find it and link a picture here so that way I don't have to walk all the way downstairs to get the box. But let me know if you would like to try these, and if so, would you want to try these with the peanut butter and jelly together, or if you wanted to try these with the peanut butter by itself, or I think they got some like this with just jelly. I'm not quite sure. I know they have some with just peanut butter, but I'm not sure if they have any with just jelly. I'm not sure. I haven't seen them because, like I said, these are new to me. I just literally seen these drop in the store. So let me know what you think about these good old delicious Uncrustables. These are actually really good. They're a little, I guess you could say they're a little bit healthier. I guess if you want to say that, because you're not eating as much bread. Think about it. If you had made a regular peanut butter jelly sandwich with 2 pieces of bread, think how much calories that could be versus you eating a Uncrustable. And look how big this, oh, it's on backwards, but look how small this bread is compared to 2 pieces of bread stacked on top of each other with you physically scooping out your peanut butter and jelly. Which one would y'all prefer to eat? Would y'all want to make the regular peanut butter and jelly sandwich with your little 2 pieces of bread and spreading it on the knife? Or would you be on the left side or the other side and you would rather have your grab and go Uncrustable peanut butter and jelly sandwich or your Uncrustable peanut butter sandwich? Because I do have these in peanut butter only. Let me know which one you would prefer. I prefer these. Now that I have seen these and I have fell in love with them, I said, forget making a peanut butter sandwich, taking my knife and scooping it on that bread. I'm gonna grab me an Uncrustable. Forget about that knife. You don't need that knife. You don't need that bread. Forget it. Go grab you an Uncrustable because these are worth it. These are really worth it. They're light. They're on the go. They're great for a snack. They're great for lunch. They're great for maybe if you want to eat them for dinner, but you might have to eat something else with it because they're so little. But these are a perfect on-the-go snack. If you are in love with peanut butter and jelly, or if you like peanut butter by itself, however you would like it. So here it is once again. Oh God, don't mind my nails because my nails are so bad. Let me know down in the comments down below, what do you think about these little Uncrustables peanut butter and grape jelly sandwich? You heard that, grape jelly, because there's also there's also strawberry jelly. So that's why I made grape jelly. That's why I said it like that, because I just want to make sure y'all are clear with that word, because some people think it's strawberry jelly. No, it's grape jelly. So you have to just read the packaging, but mainly read. I'm gonna put this back in the box, but that's why I said you have to mainly read the box. Yes, the Uncrustables, but you have to mainly read underneath where it says peanut butter and grape jelly to see which ones you want. But here is a close-up once again of the Uncrustables Smookers. I think that's how you pronounce it. By Smookers. I think I pronounced that right up here. So here's the box just in case. So here's the directions here. It says just basically keep frozen. It says thaw out for 30 to 60 minutes and then eat. Just like I said earlier. So basically all the directions I said earlier. So keep frozen, and then when you take it out, let it thaw out for 30 or 60 minutes and then eat it. And when I mean thaw out, you can leave it in the refrigerator. Keep these in the freezer. Keep this box in the freezer. But when I mean thaw out, you could take it out and lay it on your counter and let it sit there for 30 minutes or so till it unthaws. Or you could put it in the refrigerator, not the freezer. You could put it in the refrigerator and let it sit in there for 30 minutes, maybe 60 minutes, and let it unthaw in the refrigerator. However you want to do it. You just have to remember, you can't eat these right away. You got to let it unthaw. But let me know what you think down in the comments. What is your favorite? Are you a peanut butter person? Or are you a more jelly person? Or do you like eating both? If you do eat both, do you put both of them on a sandwich? Your peanut butter and jelly on a sandwich? Or do you just do your peanut butter on a sandwich? Or do you do separately? So let me know what you think in the comments down below about these Uncrustables peanut butter and grape jelly sandwiches. most valuable PB&J? Let me know down in those comments down below. Let's go. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and turn on those all bell notifications. And if you have any other product recommendations, like anything you think of that you want me to review, let me know also down in the comments below.